Are you one of the founders who submitted an application for Victory with Ash? You are waiting to see sometime next week if you have been approved to occupy a premier position in the company. Please understand that not everyone who filled out an application will qualify for these premier positions. Mr. Mufare also stated that once you are selected, the company will create direct links reflecting your premier founder status. This exclusive group will not be expanded, which is why the application process had a cut-off date. Only those who secure a premier position will receive these valuable company links. So how will people who were not selected get into Victory with Ash? They can only join by receiving a link from a premier founder, as the company will not provide links directly to them. Therefore, these premier founder links are precious, as they will spearhead the building of momentum and populate Victory with Ash. Mr. Mufare has always rewarded those who diligently follow the established process. Those who do not qualify have disqualified themselves through their own actions. They are the rotten apples who will not receive a link. It would be impossible to send a link to someone who has effectively removed themselves from consideration. This process ensures that Mr. Mufare does not leave anyone behind who is worthy of advancing in his company. By the end of next week, Premier founders will have their special links to distribute. They should use discretion, sending links only to serious individuals they believe will actively work the business. There will be many founders who will know definitively next week if they have been selected for a premier position. When that happens, the real work will begin. Thank you for reading.